Are you looking for the best jar openers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best jar openers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Open Ease Automatic Jar Opener. People who have joint problems are likely to find that even regular jar openers are difficult to operate. Models that are designed to fit in the hand can be difficult to hold as well as rather uncomfortable. Even if only a little pressure is needed, this may simply not be possible for arthritis sufferers. The Hamilton Beach Open Ease Automatic Jar Opener works automatically and can be attached directly to a lid. Simply place the device on the top of the lid and press the clearly marked, Open Jar, button. Once the lid has been loosened, users simply need to press the Release Lid button. The buttons are very large and clearly marked to help make this the best jar opener for the elderly. There will be no need to reach for a pair of reading glasses simply to use this device. It is designed to be very easy to use and can be cleaned in an instant with a damp cloth. When not in use, this model is small enough to store in a kitchen drawer. Even especially wide lids can be opened in an instant. The model uses 2 AA batteries that come supplied so that it can be used straight away. Moving on at number 4. We have the Swing Away Easy Crank Can Opener with Folding Crank Handle. If you have found the best jar opener, you will want to make sure that it is built to last. Some models work well at the start, but quickly become rusty or fall apart. Fortunately, the Swing Away Easy Crank Can Opener with Folding Crank Handle boasts a solid stainless steel construction. This means that this jar opener will not rust, bend, or break easily. It can be operated with just one hand, and only a little pressure needs to be applied. The Swing Away Easy Crank Can Opener comes with spring-loaded power to enable smooth and effortless operation. Extra leverage is provided by the long handles. This model can be adjusted very easily so that jars of all sizes can be opened with ease. Users need to take extra care where they place their hands when using this jar opener. If care is not taken, this jar opener can pinch the skin of the hand, which can be extremely painful. However, it comes with soft cushioning grips to help protect the hands during use. People who suffer from arthritis are likely to find that this model is especially easy to use. The cleaning process of this model is also designed to be very easy. Simply apply a dash of detergent and some water to produce a gleaming shine once more. At number 3, we have the Leifheit Extra Wide Stainless Steel Lid and Jar Opener. With its smart stainless steel design, the Leifheit 03131 Extra Wide Stainless Steel Lid and Jar Opener really stands out. This model comes complete with extra long handles to provide users with the extra leverage they need. The handles also boast an ergonomic design that are intended to be especially comfortable. People who have problems in their wrist and hand joints will be able to get a tight grip to make removing lids a breeze. The inside of the jar opener comes with a set of teeth and grooves. This allows the opener to grip tightly on the lid of all types of jars. One of the great things about this model is the fact that it comes with a special hinge. This means that it is extra versatile. With minimal effort, the model can be adjusted to fit a whole host of lid sizes. People who have large hands are sure to love using the Leifheit 03131 Extra Wide Lid Opener. However, it should be noted that the handles are set rather far apart. This means that people who have small hands are likely to find that operating this jar opener is rather difficult. At number 2, we have the Kuhn Rikon the Gripper Jar Opener. Are you looking for a jar opener that you can take with you wherever you go? If so, the Kuhn Rikon the Gripper Jar Opener is extremely lightweight for enhanced portability. It also comes with a large hole in the handle, so that it is easy to hang when not in use. This model is designed to conveniently lock into any lid that measures between 1 and 3.5 inches in diameter. The head of the model is an efficient gripper, while the handle works to provide plenty of leverage. This means that lids can be opened with very little effort. When it actually works, the Kuhn Rikon the gripper jar opener offers smooth and almost effortless operation. Even people who have joint pains are likely to find that this model is very easy to operate. Just a single twist should get the job done. Unfortunately, this model is not compatible with every type of lid. Simply by looking at the lid, it is not easy to see if the opener will work or not. This reduces the usefulness of the Kuhn Rikon the gripper jar opener to a certain extent. And finally at number 1. We have the Easy Off jar opener for all jar sizes. These days, jars tend to be made in a wide range of different sizes. Therefore, the best jar opener will need to be very versatile. Fortunately, Easy Off has created a jar opener that is compatible with jars and lids of all sizes. This jar opener comes complete with a dual V-grip for extra fast opening. This model can be mounted beneath the kitchen counter to keep it hidden from sight. This means that it is suitable for small kitchens where there is limited counter space. Although it is manual, using this jar opener is virtually effortless. It is designed to be easy for people of all ages to use. The product gets a firm grip on jar lids so that a simple twist is all that is needed. Its sturdy design means you can neatly hide it out of the sight of your guests under the cupboard, cabinet, shelf or counter. In other words, it will not take up any space within your kitchen or clutter your work area. Unfortunately, the instructions that are supplied with this model are not especially clear. People who have never installed a jar opener before may have trouble following the instructions. Fortunately, this model is so easy to install that the instructions are not really necessary. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.